Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure both your phone and TV are ready and on the same Wi-Fi. This lets them talk directly. Once done, open YouTube on the TV and then on your phone. On the phone, sign into the identical Google/YouTube account you use on the TV because pairing through the account is faster and more reliable. Make sure the TV app is active. You should see the home screen. This prepares the casting and pairing steps that follow. Now you cast or pair. Tap the cast icon in the YouTube app on your phone and pick your TV from the device list. This streams instantly. If the cast icon doesn't appear, use YouTube's pair option. Enter the 8-digit code shown on your TV into your phone's YouTube settings. Pairing works through the account and is useful when devices won't auto-discover. Once you confirm the prompts, the phone acts as a remote, and shorts will play on the big screen. Finally, open the Shorts section on your phone and tap any short. It will start on the TV while you control playback from the phone. You can swipe to the next short, pause, or add items to the watch queue. This keeps the experience fluid. If casting fails, restart the YouTube app on both devices, reboot the router or TV, and if needed, repair using the TV's pairing code. That one troubleshooting step resolves most connection hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.